Hello and welcome to this new video on how to rename previous chats on ChatGPT. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a source bar. Click on the source bar. Now you just have to type ChatGPT and press enter in the keyboard. After that, your ChatGPT interface will be opened, and when the interface is open in your screen, you just have to look in the left hand side. As you can see, there are the chats that you have previously done, and in order to rename the previous chat, you just have to choose the chat that you want to rename, and you just have to hover your mouse around it. And in the right side, there is three dot icon, and when you hover around that icon, it says option. You just have to click on that icon, and a pop-up box will be appeared, and there is an rename option. You can just click on the rename, and you can see you will be able to rename. Now you can just delete the text that was previously the topic of the chat, and you can just enter your own chat and just press enter in the keyboard. After that, you have renamed your previous chat successfully. So this is how you can easily rename previous chats on ChatGPT. So if this video was useful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.